There are financial habits that are making you stay in debt, in poverty, and without moving forward financially. You know them, but you want to change them. And I'm going to share one tip that is going to help you change this bad habit. The thing is, for you to change a bad habit, you have to replace it. So if you're bad at saving and investing, you're bad at putting money aside to be able to meet your financial goals, then your bad habit is overspending maybe. Your bad habit is being entered into financial transactions without having planned for them. A window shopping, you buy shoes here and there. So that is your bad habit. You need to find a way of replacing it with a good habit. A good habit could be that you do something that is going to cost you, because again, for you to leave a habit, it has to cost you. And if you're able to do this new habit long enough, you're able to change your behavior. For example, if you need to save and invest, you could take some money, put it aside every single month when your income comes. So when your income has come, you put your money aside every single month. In fact, don't even touch it. Make an advance instruction to your bank every month to transfer that money to your investment account, to the account where you invest in certain things, and money has already left your pocket to go to your circle, to go to some investment before you touch it. It has already gone. You have replaced the habit of having excess money that you find yourself spending in a careless way with the habit of having your money already gone towards the investments that you care about. So that has already been replaced by a new habit. And then you have to do it consistently. So don't go on the second month after you've seen some shoes, think about, oh, I need to again buy some shoes. So you now take credit. So if you have that habit again of buying things carelessly, maybe every time you go shopping, go with the exact cash. In fact, don't go with your bank cards. Leave your bank cards in your car or in your house. Go with cash of what you need to buy. Have a calculator, know what you need to buy, how much you need to buy, spend the amount you already have. Don't take it any debt, don't take any mobile loans. Even if you are in the habit of borrowing through your phone, leave your phone in the car. Go without a phone, go without the credit cards. You will only spend what you have in your hands. And if you are somehow tempted to take much more in your grocery bag, then you will not be able to pay because you have exact cash with you. In fact, there are people who have the habit, because of their bad spending habits, to keep money in certain pots. So you keep money in a certain pot. You say this is for food, this is for clothing, and all these things. And if that money runs out, you know that your time to spend on this particular item has come to an end. That is a replacement habit for the bad habit of spending carelessly. If you're in the habit of spending carelessly because of your friends influence you because they want you to go out. You're going for parties every day. You have to buy new dresses. You have to do this because of fitting out with your friends. Maybe replacing your friends that are keeping you from investing and saving because they are making you spend more money. Keeping a few weekends away from them will help your financial habit. Maybe now pursue a hobby that is less costly. Start hiking. Start visiting family and friends who are not as expensive as your friends, who want you to keep you partying the whole night, spending all your hard-earned money in a weekend. Maybe now avoid those friends and now keep with other activities. Replace them. Remember, the whole idea is replacement of habit. You replace the time you spend with the friends that are causing you to spend a lot of money with people who are causing you to spend less money, with activities that are less expensive, like travel, like hiking and cycling, and things that you already can do that are not going to take money from your pocket. You have replaced a habit with another. Then the other thing that you need to do is, if you find yourself spending because of what you see, so you like watching channels of socialites, they're sharing about their life, or about this shoe here, I bought this thing here, you can buy this shoe here. Maybe now try to change the things that you watch, because if you watch people who are spending their money and are influencing you to buy certain things, the more you hear them, the more you spend time listening to them, the more you are tempted to buy that thing. The more you think that your life is coming to going to improve because you bought such and such item. Now start cutting out the time you spend listening, watching, and in the presence of people who are influencing you to buy things. Remember, socialites do not necessarily buy those things. Sometimes they are given for free, sometimes they're just doing advertising. It is their job. So if it is causing you to buy certain things, maybe avoid watching them. If you have colleagues who influence you and who give you and put you a certain pressure, you go with your friend who is buying a shirt for 6,000, 7,000 shillings, but you cannot be able to put such money in clothing because of your financial plans, maybe avoid spending time with them. Maybe if they have in the habit of going for lunch in the most expensive place, maybe try and stay behind. Pretend you're working a little bit more. And once they have gone, go to the local kibanda. Carry food from your home to your office because you're going to spend much less as you go. One thing that I have noted from talking about finances is a lot of people are poor, not because they don't earn enough. They are poor because they don't keep the money long enough for it to generate some money, some value for them for the long term. They have the same amount of money, but they are not saving and investing enough or keeping it long enough for you to generate some money. If you are in the habit of having your month come to an end when you have nothing, when you have to struggle and trudge your way to the last days before you earn your next paycheck, then there's trouble. You need to replace some habits that are going to see you overcome certain challenges in your life. Replace the habit. If you change and do nothing, replace it with nothing, there is no vacuum in the area of habits. So don't try to create a vacuum because it will be a constant struggle. Instead, replace with a better habit that is better for your finances, better for your money. I hope you're learning, you're growing, and becoming better in your financial affairs. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you, and enjoy your day.